Hi everybody, it's your girl Irene and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video is about wash and go. I'm sure you can see it on my title that I am going to show you how I make my hair. No, I am going to show you how I wash my hair. So in today's video I will be washing my hair, so you're going to follow me on my journey of washing my hair. So first of all, lose this cornrows, and then try to run my fingers in my hair to kind of detangle it, you know. Oh, my hairs are usually filled with tangling. I hate dangling. Smash the subscribe button. Yeah, I forgot to tell you people, please, if you're just joining this channel, you're just joining this family, just hit the subscribe button, man. Hit it. So guys, what I'll do here basically is to, lose my cornrows and then run my fingers in my hair. Just try to detangle it gradually, softly, so you don't cause breakage, because if you do it fast, like, hurry it up, you're going to cause more breakage, So I'm carefully running my fingers through my hair, and then I'll lose the other cornrows. I just want to do it, step by step, so that I won't cause any damage on my hair. These hairs, they are fragile and they are your crown, so you wouldn't want to destroy your crown now, would you? My little baby here just replied. So I'll just lose the cornrows and then run my fingers through it. That's exactly what I'm doing now. I just have to run this through my hair. I wouldn't go it deep anyways, but I'll just, help my ministry by doing it like this. This is the hair I lost during the detangle process. So right now I'm heading over to my bathroom or to my sink to wash my hair. Come with me. So I like to wet my hair first before doing any other thing. So I'm pouring water on my hair to get it soft and wet before adding any other thing to my hair. Don't mind that window, I had to cover it more because the brightness covered the camera. So this is my daughter's shampoo, Dark and Lovely shampoo. It is for children. So instead of using any chemical shampoo, I prefer using my daughter's shampoo, since my own has finished. So hers is chemical free, so I decided to use it to shampoo my hair very well. So I'll try as much as possible to massage it into my scalp, scrub it very well, so that it's going to remove all the nyama and dirty that is overdue in my head. So as you can see, I'm scrubbing it, and then I'll wash it out with enough water. Yay! this is my rice water. I'm so happy. I don't know, I like using rice water on my hair. I kind of use it before rinsing out my hair, so I'm mixing it very well so it will mix very well because it has settled in the cup. So I'm kind of reviving it in it. So I'm going to use it to pour on my hair. Pour it very well and massage my hair. Make sure it enters my scalp, touches my hair everywhere, from the root to the top to the tip of my hair. I just want it to enter deep into my hair, So that's exactly what I've done, and I'm massaging my hair very well so it enter my scalp. So I'm massaging it into my scalp, to make sure that the rice water enters every part of my hair, including my scalp, from the scalp to the hair tip. I'm still dabbing this. Remember, it's the rice water. I've not washed it out. So after this, now the next thing I'll do is to put my hair inside the plastic bag. I be wrap a plastic bag on my hair. Anyone just take it like that. So, and then to make sure that it's tight, I'm going to use a band, rubber band that it is usually called here. So I'm going to use the rubber band to tie it around my hair, to make sure that the waterproof doesn't slip out or slip off. So after this, I'm going to use my towel to wrap around my hair, to make sure there's enough heat, and then I'll let it stay for 30 to 1 hour, to make sure it just enters my pore very well. And then I just take my phone and check my Instagram page and take some photos too. I like taking pictures, guys. I just love it. So after 30 to 1 hour, I'll take out my towel, and then I'll go back to rinse it out, to rinse off the rice water on my hair, this time with clean sparkling water. I don't it's like I just learned to say water instead of water. If you're in Nigeria, you understand. So anyway, to just rinse my hair, and then so at this point I'll just dry off my hair with my towel, to make sure that all the water has left my hair. So that's what I'll do here now. So it's dry now. I'll just pat it and then apply something else. Keep watching. So this is how I mix my hair oil. Sometimes I use Goya. This is my Goya olive oil. It's the one very close to me, so this is the one I buy you. It still gives me the same thing the other ones give you people. So I'll take 1 tablespoon of my Goya oil. Okay, I love Goya oil because it's natural. In fact, I love natural oils because they kind of bring out the best instead of all these chemicals that are sold in the market. All these chemicals are going to say it does this one, it does that one, it do that, but that is organic. It's pure organic, but at the end of the day, it's chemical. So this one is my almond oil. I kind of poured it into this my Colgate mouthwash, so I don't break the bottle. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon too of my almond oil and pour it into my olive oil, and then I'm going to take coconut oil. Don't mind that plastic bottle. I did this coconut oil myself, so I poured it into this Ever water, and I've been using it for a very long time now. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon as well, and then mix it very well. These 3 oils are very good, in fact great oil for hair growth. If you keep applying these 3 oils on your hair, oh my goodness, within 2 weeks you're going to see serious results. Did I say 2 weeks? Within 1 week you're going to see serious results, as long as you're making your hair. Because one thing that stunts hair is when you don't plait your hair, when you don't either cornrow it twist it or even do it any other thing, that's when it doesn't go. So just mix this basically, and then I'm going to apply it on my hair, on my scalp especially, because that's when that needs nourishing. So I'm going to section my hair. I'm going to section it into 3 parts. Usually they set section it into 4 parts, but then I think 3 was just okay for me. So I'm just going to section it into 3 parts, and tie it so that the other one doesn't get in the way of the other oiling. So basically I'll just section it into 3 and start applying my oil. So good, that's my oil. I'm going to start applying it on my scalp, on those places where I've opened, and then I'm going to open my hair too, open it and apply it inside my hair. Make sure I touch every part of my hair so that my hair is going to feel nourished and well taken care of. Because when you let your hair stay dry for a very long time, guys, it destroys your hair, kind of makes it dry off, and then it won't do well, it won't grow, it will just stunt and be cotton. So but when you take care of it, I'm still sectioning it and applying it on my scalp to make sure it enters everywhere. So I love to mix those oil and use it at once. I don't like mixing and then leaving it. No. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to find out how I stretched my hair, look out for my next video. I love you.